South Carolina State Supreme Court hears oral arguments in abortion lawsuit. Arguments come just one day after the state South Carolina Senate rejected a proposal to ban nearly all abortions. South Carolina's state Supreme Court heard oral arguments Wednesday in a lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of the state's abortion ban. SB 1, also known as the South Carolina Fetal Heartbeat and Protection from Abortion Act, currently prohibits abortions if a fetal heartbeat is heard, which is generally around 6 weeks after conception, with exceptions including rape, incest, and to save the mother's life. Abortion is currently banned in the state at 20 weeks. I think the lawyers for the state made strong arguments backing the state legislature's authority and that the rule of law favors protecting life, Attorney General Alan Wilson told Fox News Digital via an email statement. I think the lawyers for the state made strong arguments backing the state legislature's authority and that the rule of law favors protecting life. Arguments in the case began Wednesday morning in Columbia at the Supreme Court building, just one day after the South Carolina Senate rejected a proposal to ban nearly all abortions in the state. A conference committee has been established to distinguish between the House and Senate bills. Today, abortion remains legal in South Carolina. We will continue our fight in court to ensure all South Carolinians can access essential health care, Molly Rivera, Communications Director of Planned Parenthood South Atlantic, said in a statement. Today, abortion remains legal in South Carolina. We will continue our fight in court to ensure all South Carolinians can access essential health care. The lawsuit was initially filed in July shortly after the abortion ban took effect as a result of the U.S. Supreme Court overruling Roe v. Wade in June. The lawsuit, brought by Planned Parenthood South Atlantic and Greenville Women's Clinic as well as 2 physician plaintiffs, asked the state trial court to block the ban, arguing it violated South Carolinians' constitutional rights. An emergency motion for a temporary injunction against the bill was filed by the plaintiffs in July after the state had filed a petition for original jurisdiction. The ban was temporarily blocked in August by the state Supreme Court amid the ongoing litigation. Planned Parenthood had previously announced legal action over the fetal heartbeat bill back in 2021, moments after Republican Governor Henry McMaster signed the bill into law. The restrictions were suspended by a U.S. District Court judge after having been in effect for just 2 days. A ruling that was later upheld in a February 2022 appeals court decision. South Carolina legislature codified Roe v. Wade's 1973 ruling just 1 year later in 1974. Due to the 2021 ban retaining original language, a conflict in the law arose, with the justices ultimately writing that the ban depended upon Roe's eventual